This is my second review of a Gazelle unit. Now I have got this Gazelle unit in an excellent condition. However, unlike the previous one that I had, this also come with the usual things in a usual packaging and a proprietary Gazelle charger. Yeah, so it's just marked, not the original Apple accessory. But well, the product itself is good. Unlike the previous one that I had, which had a scratch, this doesn't really have any scratch on the outside, or for that matter anywhere, as you can clearly see. What I was surprised though, because this device had a little bit of dirt, and this device is, I felt like it's old, like at least more than a year. With the previous device I had like a warranty of 3 months, which was good, surprisingly. I mean, warranty for a good device, right? This didn't have it. Another surprising thing that I noticed is that this device has a slight scratch over here. I don't know if you guys can notice it or not, but there is this thing over here which I kind of didn't like, because it's supposed to be an excellent phone, like brand new and everything. So unlike the previous video, I'll just try a startup of this one. So it start off pretty normally, and I charged it and everything. The battery percentage is at 91%. However, I had to update the OS to see the battery percentage, so that's why I said that the phone seems to be a bit old, even though it's an excellent one. So I mean, considering all the usage and everything, it seems like, yeah, I would suggest that it's better to go for a phone that's good or fair and not excellent. I mean, you not only save some money, it's just that I felt like with this experience, I mean, it's just a matter of 3 or 4 more scratches. I mean, that too, you wouldn't even notice those scratches in day-to-day use. So yeah. And regarding performance and everything, well, I didn't did much of, but it seemed like pretty good. I mean, for the most part, I mean, everything opened like perfectly, and yeah, things were pretty good. I mean, battery life is exceptional. I haven't used this phone for quite some time, but still, the phone came as unlocked, and hopefully it would work with everything. I haven't put any SIMs or SIM because I just wanted to do this and return this handset because of these problems. I mean, I wasn't satisfied with my purchase as an excellent condition phone, frankly speaking. But otherwise, it seems good. I don't know how your unit would turn up, but if you want to, it's worth going into. And then if you are not satisfied, you could always point out valid reason, and hopefully they will make you for a return device. Well, I guess hope you guys enjoyed watching my unboxing thing and a main review of sorts. Well, see you again with some other unboxing and review video later.